why cannot Ayurveda medicines come under the Drugs and Medicines Act, Cosmetics Act, or how should the Cosmetics Act be modified to suit Ayurveda? This is one important point.
Yeah.
Why? Because why should it change? Because how did Ayodhya come into being? A Vedic Pandit was called, and that Acharya proved that Ayodhya exists in the Vedic text,
Yeah.
and hence Ayodhya has to be built, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we respect literature,
Yes.
we respect Sanskrit, we respect Tamil, we respect Urdu, we respect English literature. Sanskrit literatures are documents, and that is why Ayush doctors are allowed to practice. When you're going to look at a Falashruti of a medicine, you have got just like every shloka has got a Falashruti.
Yeah.
We have a Falashruti for herbs. Jwaram, Rakta Pittam, Kasam, Raja Yakshma. You will have the Falashruti with 52 diseases in it. Kasam, Shwasam, you will have many more. Many. Jwaram, Raja Yakshma. That is how coronal. That's why one medicine can be given for 50 conditions. It will tell that the Rishi will end that this condition can be given for 50 diseases. So Kanchanara Guggulu, it can be given for thyroid, Kasam, Shwasam, wherever swelling is there. How am I going to tell this to common man? I can tell that Galagandam, Gandamala, Kasam, Shwasam. Do you understand Sanskrit?
Yeah.
Sanskrit people are struggling.
Yeah.
How am I going to reach the common man? I have to tell common terms. I will tell that it can. Problem is cure should not have been used. It can be used to address.
Right. To treat.
But to
address.
treat could have been the word.
Right.
That could have been the word. Probably then it would not be a problem. So the ophthalmologist doesn't understand that there is still a case where Ramdevji should come to Kerala. He doesn't understand that eye drop, which Divya Pharmacy, he tells that it can be used to manage retinitis, other conditions, which means it will give relief to whatever extent is possible for that patient. Does all allopathic eye drops cure you of a condition? No. Problem with Baba Ramdevji's advertisement was he became everything. He became the model. See, I appreciate him and I'm very thankful to him and I'm proud and I wish his organization should not become 100-fold but should become Shatamanam or even Sahasramanam. Because he is the number one company of Ayush and I wish he has challenged Remdesivir. He has challenged the state. Okay? When Remdesivir launched his, let's go into it later. So the ophthalmologist doesn't understand that. He means to tell that it is the Falashruti which has been given in the text, which he is trying to put it in English terms because he cannot speak in Hindi. हम तो कास्ट वास ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं, उधर जाके वो कैसे मलयालम में लिखेगा कि उनको तो पता नहीं है, तो क्या करेगा? जो पॉपुलर इंग्लिश मेडिकल टर्म्स है उसके लिए ही यूज कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो 100% क्योर हो जाएगा. तो दूसरा तरीका ढूंढना चाहिए कि उसे कैसा लिखना है.